Sublimation is the conversion between the solid and the gaseous phases of matter, with no intermediate liquid stage. For those of us interested in the water cycle, sublimation is most often used to describe the process of snow and ice changing into water vapor in the air without first melting into water. Sublimation occurs more readily when certain weather conditions are present, such as low relative humidity and dry winds. Sublimation also occurs more at higher altitudes, where the air pressure is less than at lower altitudes. Without the addition of energy, heat, to the process, ice would not sublimate into vapor. That is where sunlight plays a large role in the natural world. Water has a physical property called the heat of vaporization, which is the amount of heat required to vaporize water. If you want an exact amount of heat, the heat of vaporization of water is 540 calories gram or 2,260 kilojoules kilogram. That is a lot more energy than is needed to convert water to ice, the latent heat of fusion, which is 80 calories gram. And it is also about 5 times the energy needed for heating water from the freezing point to the boiling point. In summary, energy is needed for the sublimation of ice to vapor to occur, and most of the energy is needed in the vaporization phase. A cubic centimeter, 1 gram, of water in ice form requires 80 calories to melt, 100 calories to rise to boiling point, and another 540 calories to vaporize, a total of 720 calories. Sublimation requires the same energy input but bypasses the liquid phase.